Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this twisted headband. You can gift this to your client as a souvenir, and you can also make them to sell to make more money as a fashion designer. So if you're interested, please watch this video till the end. So here I have the fabric I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. When making this headband, it is advisable to use a stretchy fabric. The length of the piece of fabric I have here is 21 inch. So to get the length of fabric to cut out, all you need to do is to measure your head circumference, then go ahead to minus 1 or 2 inch from it, depending on how stretchy your fabric is. If your fabric stretches very well, you can go ahead to minus as much as 3 inch. And the width of the piece of fabric is 7 inch. The next thing I'm going to go ahead to do now is to start sewing the headband, and first I'll go ahead to fold my fabric into two like this. Then I'll go over to my sewing machine to close up the side of the headband like you see me doing in the video. After sewing, the next thing I'm going to go ahead to do is to turn it over to the good face. Next, I'm going to go ahead to give it a good press, and to do that, make sure that the seam is on the center of the fabric. So you place the seam on the center like this, then you go ahead to give it a good press. So here I've gone ahead to iron the piece of fabric, and this is what I have. As you can see, the seam is on the center of the piece of fabric. The next thing to do is to place the fabric, making sure the good face are together like this. You place them together, then you go ahead to make one to overlap on the other from the center like this. After placing it this way, you fold this one to the back, then you fold the other one on it like this. So I'll just go ahead to repeat this. First, you place your fabric, making sure the good face are facing each other. Then you locate the midpoint of the one below and place the one at the top on the midpoint of the one below like this. Then you fold the fabric over like this. Then you go ahead to place this other one on it like this. After doing that, you're going to go ahead to run a stitch on this side using 0.25 inch. So after sewing, the next thing I'm going to go ahead to do now is to cut off the excess. Then I'll open up the hairband for you to see what it looks like. So this is what you're going to be having once you open up the headband. As you can see, it's looking so beautiful and very easy to make. So you can go ahead to give this to your client as a souvenir, or you can make this and sell to make extra cash as a fashion designer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my other tutorials.